In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the other option in Google Forms. Whether you're creating a survey, a feedback form, or anything else requiring choices including an other field, allows respondents to enter a custom answer that might not be provided in your existing options. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. First, head over to Google Drive. If you're already logged in, you'll be greeted with your main Drive screen. This is where all your documents, spreadsheets, and forms are stored in the cloud. Now look towards the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to creating various Google files, including forms. Once the drop-down menu appears, find and click on Google Forms. If you hover over it, you may see a couple of options. Choose Blank Form. This action will open a new tab with your blank Google form, ready to be customized. Naming your form is the next step, which helps keep your files organized and easily identifiable later. Simply click in the title field and type in a name that reflects the purpose of your survey or data collection tool. With your form titled, it's now time to focus on the content. Click on the placeholder question provided right at the top. This is where you can start adding your multiple choice options. You'll see several types of questions you can choose from, but for our purpose today, select multiple choice from the drop down menu next to the question. And here comes the crucial part, adding the other option. After adding the options you want to include, like option 1, option 2, and so on, you'll notice right beneath the last option an additional prompt that says add other. This is where Google Forms allows respondents to fill in their own answer if none of your listed choices fit their response. Click on add other. This choice will appear at the end of your multiple choice list, automatically providing a text field for any custom input. Before we wrap up, you might also consider adding more specific or required options by clicking on Add Option. This will permit you to provide more predetermined choices before the other is used. And voila! You've successfully added an other option to your Google form, increasing its flexibility and usability. To ensure everything is working smoothly, use the preview eye icon at the top right to see how your form will appear to responders. This preview helps catch any errors before your form goes live. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to create more dynamic and inclusive forms. Thanks for watching, and happy form making.